In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Zoho CRM with WhatsApp step by step. Before you start, make sure you have a verified Facebook Business Manager, a WhatsApp business account, and a phone number enabled for the WhatsApp Business API. Now, log in to Zoho CRM. Go to Setup, then select Channels and open Business Messaging. Under WhatsApp, click Details, then choose Integrate. Next, sign in using your Facebook Business Manager account. Approve the required permissions to connect your WhatsApp business account and phone number with Zoho CRM. Once connected, return to Zoho CRM to complete the setup. Assign a nickname to your WhatsApp account, select the phone number, and choose whether messages should be linked to leads or contacts. You can also assign specific users or roles who will manage WhatsApp conversations. After saving the settings, the integration is complete. You can now send and receive WhatsApp messages directly from leads, contacts, and deals inside Zoho CRM and view incoming messages in the Signals panel. That's how you integrate Zoho CRM with WhatsApp in 2025. Simple, fast, and effective.